Hi friend, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have another Boxycharm unboxing. I do these on a monthly basis, so if you are new here to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future uploads from me. So I have May's box right in front of me right here. I'm going to show you guys everything that I did receive, and I'm also going to take you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieved this look that you guys are seeing here. I hope you guys like it. If you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, which is $25 for the base box, and you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. It ranges from nail polishes, like anything nail related, hair related, makeup related, skincare related, anything that is beauty related will be inside of your box. And it switches up every single month, so you're not getting repetitive items inside of your box. I'm going to be telling you guys in this video how much each product costs, because if you are buying makeup just individually, it does add up and it's a lot of money, and this is just a discounted little box. So if you are interested in signing up to Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link down below. So that just means if you click on the link and subscribe, I do earn a bit of commission based off of you using the link. So if you do that, thank you so much for your support. It supports what I do here on my channel. Now let's dive into the box.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Alright, so the first product that I have inside of my box is this Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. This is supposed to detoxify and revitalize your skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and straighten skin's barrier while you sleep. And this product here retails for $74. And this also contains vitamin C, which helps brighten and even your skin tone. I love the fact that it has vitamin C, because you guys can't really tell because of the makeup that I have on, but maybe you might see a little bit of texture on my skin. I'm breaking out really bad in this area right now. I've been wearing my face mask a lot more. I've been going out a lot more, so I'm just experiencing maskne. So I definitely like that, because vitamin C definitely helps diminish the appearance of dark spots. Let's move along to the next item that I have in my box. So this next product here, this is the Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protecting Mist. It's a lightweight spray. It protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees. And this here retails for $27. That smells nice. Alright, let's move along to the KAB Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. This palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks, and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. This palette here retails for $52. Okay. I think this is like up there in price. I mean, I definitely liked playing around with this eyeshadow palette. I think the colors performed really well. They blended out really nicely. $52 though. I feel like this kind of reminds me of one of my Morphe palettes, which is like maybe $20. So, I mean, that's up there in price, but definitely liked it for first impression. Let's move along to the next product in my box. Okay, moving along to the next products that are inside of my box. This is a brush set, and this is from Lavish. This is the Essential Eye Collection brush set, and it contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create more subtle or dramatic looks, and this brush set is $30. I actually really enjoyed using these brushes. I just don't think I probably get a lot of use out of this. I just used them in today's makeup look because I wanted to show you guys what I would use them for, but I don't think I would get a lot of use out of them. One, this brush right here is a little bit too pointy and a little too stiff. And then this eyeliner brush, I don't ever really use this type of brush unless it's for my eyebrows, and I just have not been doing my eyebrows with pomades. Pencils are just easier for me. but I really did like these brushes right here. I'm probably going to use these a lot, and they're easy to detect whenever I'm using them because I don't think I have any other brushes that are like this color. So I really like the color of these. But anyway, let's move along to the last product inside my box. I received this Mellow Cosmetics lip gloss. Get ready to spice up your lips. This ultra glossy non-sticky formula has a uniquely smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick with added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil. The Saint Tropez shade is the perfect mauve, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. This retails for $18. What a terrible swatch. My thoughts on this gloss is that I really just don't like the applicator. It doesn't get a lot of the product out. When I applied it, it was just kind of... You guys will see when I'm doing the little tutorial of this look. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Just going over the products once again, I have the Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protecting Mist, and this retails for $27. Now the next product in my box is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. This retails for $74, bringing our total to $101, and that's just with these two products. Now the third product inside of my box is the Lavish Essential Eye Collection, and these brushes retail for $30. This bumps up the value to $131. The last item inside of my box is the KAB Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette that retails for $52, bringing our final total to $183. Now let's start with the tutorial. I'm going to be using the flat packing brush from the brush collection and taking the color Terracotta with this brush and just packing it onto the crease. I was a little hesitant starting with the dark color because I already have my base on and I don't want any eyeshadow falling onto my face. But as you guys can see, I'm not experiencing any fallout and it's really pigmented. Definitely loving this color. And I'm just packing it on before blending out the edges. I'm not really going to do a lot of blending. I just want to deposit this color into the crease area just so that we have the intensity right at the crease. We're going to move on to the next shade, which is called Halo. This is a really pretty lilac color. I'm going to be packing this color right on top of the other using the same exact brush. And then moving along to the fluffy brush. This fluffy brush is going to allow me to make this color a little bit more subtle, because if you just pack it on, it's definitely going to be really pigmented and really just out there. And I just want this to be the transition color. So again, just pack on that lilac shade and then take the fluffy brush to diffuse it out. Once you've blended it out, you're going to see that you're losing some of that pigment at the crease. So it's okay to go back and forth between colors. I definitely did. I went back into Terracotta and just deposited it back into the crease, and then once again went into Halo and just eye it out until you're happy. Right about here, I'm definitely happy with how this eye look is looking. So I'm going to go into my next color called Twinkle Twinkle. And this is a shimmer shadow, so we're going to be placing this right on top of the lid. And it's going to definitely overlap the previous shades, but that's okay. It is a shimmer color, so go ahead and spray your brush. I'm using the same exact brush that I used for the other two shades. This is the flat packing brush. It's a little bit fluffy, but it's also flat, so it's perfect for either depositing colors or just placing shimmers on top of your lid. In my personal opinion, sometimes I believe that shimmers look a lot better when you place them with your fingers. So I'm just going in with my ring finger and applying it to the lid with just my finger. And you guys can see that it definitely looks a little bit more monochrome, or like just more shimmery. And I did swatch this color Moon Dust, and I just thought it was so pretty and I would look perfect with Twinkle Twinkle. So we're taking this on the same exact brush and just placing it right on top of Twinkle 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 and just bringing it out towards the edge. I'm really not experiencing any fallout so far, and we're going to darken up the outer edge as I almost do with all of my looks. I'm taking the darkest shade, the darkest matte shade from the palette. This one is called Cocoa, and I'm just placing it to the outer corner like so. So once this color is deposited, I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush from this brush collection, and I'm going to just blend out everything at the outer corner so everything looks just really pretty and blended out. And now for the bottom of the eyelashes, I'm going to go into the color Georgia Peach, and I'm using the angled brush. I'm really not a fan of this brush for eye looks, but I'm just showing you guys how I would use these brushes. I'm also going to use the pencil brush to apply the color Burnt Orange at the bottom outer edge of the eye. And this brush is a little bit too stiff in my opinion, and I did not really like it, but it did the job. And for our last product, I'm taking the Mellow Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Saint Tropez, and I'm applying this onto my lips, but I definitely had to place the applicator into the tube quite a bit of times to get some product onto the applicator. Not my favorite gloss. I definitely like the color, but I don't like the fact that I didn't grab a lot of product onto the applicator. And that wraps up today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the step-by-step tutorial using all the products that I received in this month's Boxycharm. If you guys want to subscribe, again, the link is going to be listed down below in my description box. And if you guys have any questions for me, don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments. Also, subscribe to my channel before you leave. I would really appreciate it. It's free to do so, and you know, you're just supporting little old me here. I'm going to leave you guys with my latest uploads linked right over here in case you guys want to continue to hang out with me, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!